I need to run now. No, guys, today we're gonna be opening the Hot Wheels set. Let's jump it. Guys, we have the jail.
Is that a police station or a jail?
A jail.
What is this piece, Arman?
The fire station.
The fire station.
The fire station, and the water's running. We have the gas station. And the last piece, this. So if you go like that, it will push the car. Let's build the volcano. Ooh. Try the slingshot.
Ooh.
And now let's test this out. Okay, so the cars go under because it's magic. I used magic. Magic is real. And then shoot. We'll shoot 2 more cars.
Whoa.
That's busted. Like, whoosh. Let's try it again.
Do the car need gas by any chance? Let's see if the car needs gas. Whoa, it didn't make it to the top. Let's see how we can put one and see if it can make it to the top.
Look, it's gonna make it to the top. But one time, guys, it went like, then it went like, get to 2 cars. Oh, I challenge you to try and hit it. Oh yes. 1,000 times. Oh, now let's try the police after somebody. It's after. Bingo. Oh, it's in the car. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, now let's try the Bamo Shazamo. Oh! Let's keep going. We're trying the gas station to get some gas. Oh, so the car can go. I'm escaping. Ha ha ha. Now I'm gonna go to the fire station. Oh, my old car was pretty faster than this. I'll trade. Now I'm in this car. Wait, I'll just park that car so no police can see that. No police can go. Ooh, there's money here. Steal. I got the money. Ah, police is knowing. Beep doo, beep doo, beep doo. Police is here. Police is here. Beep doo, beep doo. I'm running faster. Okay, switch.
traffic jam.
Beep, beep.
Beep beep. Move out of the way, guys.
Beep, beep. We're in a rush. We're in a rush. I need to go to the juice box store. My kid is so much. Guys, we're going to test if we're going to get this car through the loop.
Whoa, you did it. Can you put more than one car on that? Let's try 3 cars this time. A police car is coming out of the police station. It landed right at the fire station.
Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Bye bye.